Are you kidding me? Something's gone wrong in there. I don't know what's happened. I'm gonna have to get this out and take a closer look. So I've been staring at this for about 5 minutes now, and I'm trying to figure out what just happened. And to be honest, I really don't know. It's created this kind of like bubble effect or a crack effect inside here, and I'm not sure what's caused it. I don't know whether it was the heat from the die-cast model, or maybe it was the epoxy that had melted on the stand. I'm just not too sure. It's really baffling me as to how this actually happened. I must admit though, the more I look at it, the more I kind of like it. It's almost like the ship has broken the sound barrier, and these are all the sound waves. What do you guys think? I've put too much time and effort into this build, so I think I'm just going to keep going and see how it looks. If you've made it this far into the video, then you are truly one of my loyal supporters, and for that, I say thank you. But I need to ask a massive favor. If you guys like this video, it'd really mean a lot to me if you could like and share it amongst your family and friends, or even on your social media. I don't often ask for help, but I'd appreciate this so much. It'd help get my channel out to a whole heap of new people, and that would really help me out a lot. Well, that's enough of me talking. Let's get on with the reveal.